चाय रखने के लिए हो गया या फिर something to keep on it. Right, that's very nice and there's so many items I can show you. And there's so many. अभी मैं मकरवाट में एक बहुत ही प्यारे से जगह पर आई हूँ एंड हियर इज दिस स्वीट लेडी बाय प्रोफेशन शी इज़ अ टीचर और बहुत अच्छा लगता है मतलब गांव के स्कूल में शी इज़ अ टीचर और ये काम कर रही है दिस इज़ वन ऑफ अ प्रोफेशंस और यहाँ पे ये बैम्बू का सब कुछ बनाते हैं कुछ चीज़ें मुझे थोड़ा प्राइसी लगा कुछ चीज़ें मुझे बहुत ही रिजनेबल लगा लाइक दिस इज 50 रुपीज एंड दिस आई एम गोइंग टू बाय बिकॉज दिस इज माई काइंड ऑफ सोवीनियर ना ये मेरे साथ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहेगा. So I don't prefer to buy fridge magnet. Now let's see and listen to her experiences and her stories that what are things she makes and etc etc. And here is the sweet guide on board जो मुझे बताएंगे because apart from guiding me, he is a translator. John Bob, please ask her and tell us that for such items, how long does she take to make all these items? Like this, and then she has a spatula. And then a very nice thing I saw, ये ना ऐसे रखा हुआ था, and once you put it here, this is lamb. It's so unique, right? So how long does she take to make all these things? Wait. Now take this mic. Wait. Now take this mic. When first you ask and then pass.
Actually, she understands. She is teacher.
You understand English?
Yeah. Kasimpor kano kanta kano sngem tynai ni kene.
Ini tiar I simpor ti ena aja tiar. Na nene de arsnei ki la man simpor ti la man simpor.
So this whole thing will take 2 days.
2 days to make.
Yeah, to make. Only for this one.
Alright, only this one.
Yes.
This entire thing.
Yeah, 2 days.
Okay, 2 days to make.
Yeah.
2 days. All right. And put in front of your mouth. And these all things?
Kini long dala ada en pai tiar sisnei.
For all these things, when they are already like this, the bamboos are already prepared.
Okay.
Only 1 day.
1 day?
Yeah.
It takes a very long time.
Yeah.
Right? And I saw one very nice thing. Where is that? And these baskets, ये सारे baskets कुछ इतने ज़्यादा प्यारे हैं. Baskets तो प्यारे हैं लेकिन ये मुझे gift item के लिए अच्छा लगा, अगर आपको किसी को देना है pen and all रखने के लिए. I think I'll get this one. और साथ ही पता है मुझे ये सारे बास्केट्स मुझे देखे इसे बनाने में 2-3 hours she takes. 2-3 hours. I think these are the perfect things to gift someone, right? पेन रखने के लिए पेन स्टैंड ऐसा. एंड देन ये बास्केट भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा है यार. That means ये जो चार्ज करते हैं ना ये इनका टाइम का चार्ज करते हैं. The time they spend, right? It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Thank you. I'll take this and I'll run then. And that.
You can put fruits.
Yes, fruits and anything
flowers.
like that. Flowers, fruits. And in order to gift someone, this is very nice. Like putting flowers or beach में fruits करके आप किसी को. Exactly. And वो जो सारे.
Flowers.
And these are the flowers you see. Very nice. To gift someone, right?
Yeah.
How much? 30 rupees each. Very nice. What is this?
Traditional items.
These are the traditional items. How much? 50 rupees. Very nice. These are the traditional items that you can get. Very nice. These baskets I have.
You already have.
Yes. What do you keep basically in this? Nice.
We
No,
used to put flowers.
Okay.
Decoration inside.
Okay. Now please tell us, like, what is she making now?
Lewat tynai ada dalam desain. Saya dalam sheet ada sheet.
Lampshade. This is lampshade.
Here distancing.
Okay, you're making this. Right. Ask her to make, I'll take her video. So what she's making now, she's making this just to cover it. Right? Very nice. Beautiful. Can you please give that?